Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business event promo using Posterize in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and selecting Posterize because the event poster needs a striking professional look. I duplicate the background to keep the original intact. I apply Posterize and adjust levels carefully, pausing to watch how colors and shapes shift. Business visuals need calm precision and clear focus. I notice certain areas become too flat, so I mask selectively with a soft brush to preserve key details. I zoom in and refine edges, smoothing transitions for a clean finish. I add text layers using the Type tool,